draft for the reviewer, idols, and one of the
And so with that, Mr. Chairman, congratulations again.
So Chair, based on what we're hearing today, I think there's an importance in revisiting the RA number 11900